What's up guys? In this special video, we are at the lake on my birthday testing out this awesome gift, the EasyGoSmoker by EasyGoSmoker. We smoke a whole chicken over the campfire and then later we enjoy some A5 Wagyu rib cap in a cast iron skillet courtesy of Pat. Stick around for all that and much more in this Bakes Foods Lake Trip 2024. What you doing, Pete?
I'm cleaning cast iron for a little bit of food later.
Todd and Pat surprised me with a fire, a smoker, or a portable smoker. This bad boy you can put over a fire, over a stovetop, over a grill, and you just put pellets or wood chips in there, right in this little thing here. Scoop it in, and then you put the top on and smoke. So we are gonna try to smoke a chicken. Let's check it out. Salud.
Salud.
Cheers. At the lake. Chicken is seasoned up. We are ready to get that chicken on here. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab this off. Here we go.
Breast side up.
Pat's got that breast on there. And look at that, you guys. This is the portable smoker. Just pop it over a fire. That lid back on, handle comes off, you keep it aside so it doesn't get hot. Brilliant. And then you just add the pellets right here. You got a little spoon that comes with it.
Fits right in there.
We want to stay between 200 and 250. Oh, that smells amazing. This is gonna be good. We're about 2 hours in. 1 more hour. We're gonna dig into it, maybe?
We're gonna definitely dig into it.
Bam! Look at that! That is fully smoked.
Well, there you go.
Woo!
So it was done an hour and a half ago.
Oh, geez. Rib roast was done.
So
We should put some Doritos on top of that.
now
fire.
we're gonna wrap that.
Doritos. There we go. Wrap it and let it cool.
Wrap it, let
Now
it cool down.
And
It
then
will.
smoke some broccoli.
Maybe.
Where did I put my water?
It's so full. Hey, you can put some water down on the bottom of some beer to get some steam.
What do you think of Brungus?
Well, thank you very much.
What do you think?
I don't know what that thing is.
What do you think, Brungus? What do you think, Brungus?
I don't like that.
So, what did you bring, Ben?
Picture of him right there.
We're in the video.
Yeah, look.
We're in the middle of making a video of a smoked chicken, and Ben shows up with a smoked.
Oh, it's really hot still. Holy shit.
A smoked rib roast. That's right, beef prime rib roast. There is the reveal. There it is.
That's like all beef fat. Oh my god. Dude, that's incredible.
Is he still alive?
Oh yeah, dude. Tender breast.
That's falling apart.
Oh, that's all mine. It's huge.
You know what the good thing is? I just cooked a whole chicken. Period.
No problem.
Period.
Done.
This is the birthday bite. I'm
That's
taking
gonna be
it.
the best piece.
There it is. This is the first test of the portable barbecue smoker. That's wonderful. Actually, the smoke flavor is amazing. Right on. We'll do it again. We got some A5 Wagyu rib cap. We're gonna cook over the open fire on a cast iron. Look at that marbling. Look at that.
That's A5. That's A5. That's A5. That's A5. That's A5. That's A5.
There's some rice, wine vinegar, sugar, and salt. Basic recipe for sushi rice. Then we're gonna eat it with some Wagyu.
That's A5. That's A5. That's A5. That's A5.
You need to show them the fish.
That's A5. That's A5. That's A5. That's A5. That's A5. That's A5.
Who's on there?
Cut two of them.
Yeah, I caught two of those. Pat only caught the medium one right there. I caught a small one and a big one.
What kind
I caught the biggest one.
of fish are they?
All three of them are bass.
Smallmouth?
Yeah.
You ready? We got our little sushi A5 Wagyu ready to dip.
Happy birthday, Jake.
I'm gonna just go in for some of that soy sauce for that.
Terrible.
Mm-hmm.
All right, it is sunset.
It is sunset. Look at this.
We have had great food, and now we're going to play great music.
Oh, we are gonna play some music, but
What?
thank you guys so much for watching. Let us know what you think in the comments section below. Like and subscribe for more videos. And until the next one, bakes out. Bakes out.
Yeah, I thought that chicken was toast when they pulled that top off. I was like, no!
What's the best kind of birthday present? One that everybody enjoys.
One that I get to use. Patrick, how's it going in there?
It's good.
Well, that is very cool. That's what I'm talking about. Bam!
Oh my god.
Well, Pat, thanks for a good birthday, man.
Yeah, brother. Caught some fish. Beautiful scenery. Excellent meals. That's all we need to say. Bakes out.
That's A5. That's A5. Tonight is varmint escargot.